Welcome to Meow Bark News, where today we are interviewing Sarge the Parrot. We are here with Sarge. Rawr, he says. Did you drive here or fly here? Are you insulted by the term bird brain? I'll take that as a yes. Sarge, do you like shoulders? Besides crackers, what foods do you enjoy? Kyle Mackler would like to know, how long did it take for you to achieve the rank of sergeant? Have you ever slept in a nest?
A bird in the hand
Is worth how many in the bush? He said too. I heard it. How do you feel about the fact that when people don't like something, they say that that is for the birds? More for you, I guess, right? Do you want to repeat the question? Are you mad that you were not in Dr. Dolittle? Is eating like a bird how you keep your girlish figure? I know you're loyal. So I hear that you do not like crackers. Is that a good tomato? I don't want people talking to me while I'm eating either. How long have you known that you are a good bird? Hey Sarge, what is your favorite part of being a bird? How does it make you feel when some birds abandon their egg? Have you ever ate out of a bird feeder? Do you like Nelly Furtado? I'm like a bird. Jeff Horste and Sarge, signing off from Meow Bark News. Is this big, or do we break it up?
We'll chop it up. Chops up huge pieces of
Do I just hold it?
meat. Yeah.
Oh, God.
Maybe not.
He just laughed at me?
Yeah. He laughs when he jumps at you. It'd be like a joke for him. It's where he gets some good footage. Just kind of.